Acetone test. Take a cotton wool, soak with acetone or nail polish remover and rub your coral bead with it. If you notice the red marks on the cotton wool, the coral is fake. On the other hand, if there is no stain on the wool, then it is an authentic coral bead. Feel the weight. Real corals are usually heavier than the fake ones. Toss them gently up and down in your hand and feel the weight difference. You can use this method to test those made from coated glass or plastic. The only exception with the weight test is in the case of coral beads made with solid glass beads. They sometimes weigh more than original coral beads. So in addition to this weight test, you may want to use other methods mentioned in this video for your sound judgment. Check the drill holes. The drill holes in real corals are usually very small, whereas those in imitation corals are often larger. Under magnification, the coating around the drill holes of fake dyed corals is normally thin and looks like a shiny paint. You can often see flakes or chipped coating around the drill holes that will eventually peel off. It's important to remember that all the methods cannot be used alone to reach a conclusive judgment on whether or not a coral is real or fake. It's always useful to combine several of these methods together to detect fake corals. As a rule of thumb, you want to buy coral jewelry from reputable jewelers and coral specialists. Your retailer should tell you whether the corals you're buying are real or fake. At Benga Artsmith, we do not use synthetic or fake coral beads in any of our jewelry designs. All of our coral pieces are made with 100% authentic coral beads sourced from environmentally sustainable sources in Benin and Osun areas of Nigeria. Which other tests do you know or have you heard of? Please share in the comment section below.